Alright, in today's video I will be showing you how to install WinRAR. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and type WinRAR download Windows 11. Then click on the first link that pops up. Select your Windows version, for me it is 64-bit. Once the download ends, open the exe file. Scroll and read the license agreement. Then, click Install. Then click Toggle All. Click on Add to Desktop, Add to Start menu, and enable Legacy context menus. Congrats, you have now installed WinRAR. Please like and subscribe to never miss on my latest videos. Have a great day.